Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about singular and plural. There are 10 rules are here. Let us see one by one. Listen everyone.
Nouns. Number. Nouns can be in the singular or plural number. Nouns can be in the singular or plural number. Let us understand this in detail. Singular noun. The noun that means one person, one place or one thing is said to be in the singular number. What are they? One person, one place or one things. For example, one flower, it is a flower. One bird, it is a bird. One bottle, it is a bottle. Plural nouns. For example, many flowers, these are flowers. Many birds, these are birds. Many bottles, these are bottles. These are flowers, these are birds, these are bottles. Now, let us learn the rules for changing the nouns from singular to plural. Okay, let us learn changing the nouns from singular to plural. Rules for changing from singular to plural. Rule 1. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. Singular, plural. For example, singular plural, girl, girls. Ball, balls. The another one, pen, pens. Singular, plural, pen, pens. Add yes. Rule 2. Nouns that end with a letter S, SS, SH, CH and X can be made plural by adding ES at the end. The next one, singular plural, bus, buses, add ES. For example, singular plural, dress, dresses. The another one, dish, dishes. The fourth one, match, matches. The another one, box, boxes. Box, boxes. Rule 3. Noun that end with a letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. Noun that end with a letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES. For example, cherry, cherries. The next example, baby, babies. Rule 4. When the noun has a vowel AEIOU before it ends with a letter Y, then just add S to it to make it plural. When the noun has a vowel AEIOU, for example, key, keys. The next example, boy, boys. Have you understood, children? Rule 5. When a noun ends with O, then ES is added to it to make it plural. For example, mango, mangoes. Mango, mangoes. For example, tomato, tomatoes. Add ES. Rule 6. When a noun ends with F or FE, then F or FE is changed into V and VES. For example, leaf, leaves. knife, knives. The next one, rule 7. There are some nouns that end with F or FV, but we only add S to make it plural. For example, roof, roofs. Rule 8. There are a few nouns which from their plurals by changing the inside vowel to make them plural. There are a few nouns which from their plurals by changing the inside vowel. For example, man, men. Tooth, teeth. Rule 9. Few nouns take en at the end to from its plural. For example, child, children. Child, children. Rule 10. Some nouns remain the same in their plural form. Some nouns remain the same in their plural form. For example, deer, deer. Deer, deer. Exercise. Change the nouns from singular to plural. Singular, plural. Book, books. Ox, oxen. Lady, ladies. Ray, rays. Glass, glasses. Children, have you understood today's topic? Thank you for your listening, kids.